Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing how to obtain a regular expression by applying state elimination method. That is by eliminating the states. So here by state elimination we should observe when starting state itself is the final state, we can reduce it to a single state. So whenever the starting state itself is the final state, we can reduce it into a single state. So this is first point we should keep in mind. And see whether all the states are reachable from the starting state. So here starting state to final state, all the states should be reachable from the starting state to the final state. So if you observe from Q0, it is going to 0, from on reading 0 it is going to Q1, on reading 0 it is going to Q3, and in Q3 it is self looped. Again if you observe Q0 here, from the starting state, on giving 1 it is coming to Q2, and from 1 it is going to Q3. But from the Q3 it is not going to final state at all. So it is self-looped within itself. It means this is a trap state. So whatever input is going to this state is not a useful input. So the first step is in the elimination method. If you have a trap state, you have to remove the state. So the first step is remove the state Q3. So what we have done in the first step, we removed the dead state. That is, remove the dead state, we remove. Next, we have to remove the states to a single state. Either I can reduce Q1 or I can reduce Q2. So when before removing the state, I should preserve the path. So how my DFA will be reduced if I remove the state Q1. If I remove the state Q1, what is the path here? It is 0, 1, 0, 1. On giving 0 from Q0, it is going to Q1. From Q1 on reading 1, it is coming to the state Q0. So 0, 1, 0, 1 here. So if what is the path I have to preserve now? 0, 1. On reading, on giving 0, 1, it is coming to the state Q0. So the next step is what I should do. I should remove the state Q1. So I am removing the state Q1 and I am writing a loop on reading 0, 1. It is coming to the state Q0. Similarly, if you observe here this state Q2, if I want to remove from the Q0, on reading 1 it is coming to Q2, on 0 it is going to Q0. So 1 0 1 0, it is self looped here. So what I should do now, what is my path here? It is 1 0. So here it is on giving 1 0, it is self loop within this state. Now we reduce this state to a single state. Now it is clear from this figure that the machine accepts strings of 0 ones and 1 0. It accepts strings of 0 ones and 1 0. Then how to write the regular expression? How my regular expression for this automata will be? It is both are self looped. It's nothing but 0 1 comma 1 0. So how do we write this? See here we can write it as 0 1 or 1 0. 0 1 or 1 0 the whole star. So what is my regular expression for this automata? It is nothing but 0 1 or 1 0 the whole star. So instead of writing two self loops like this, we could have written like this better in a better way, that is 0 1 comma 1 0. On giving 0 1 or on giving 1 0, it remains in the final state. So this is our final regular expression. Hope you have understood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.